Do you know electric cars have a big influence on human life? Is it really environment? Have you ever heard of electric cars might pollute much more than petrol cars?
Electrical vehicles just aren't a green option because they produce just as much carbon in the overall cycle, and if we want a cleaner way to get around, the answer is a natural gas, not electrical vehicles. On the other hand, making batteries takes a lot of energy, while gas-powered vehicles still have lower carbon footprints than normal cars. So driving them will do the earth some good.
Some people think electric cars are good for our environment. They think electric is a clean energy and the oil will produce a lot of pollution. That is right. But how could we generate electric? There are several ways. We will use coal or wood or oil or water power or wind power or nuclear to generate water. But actually, water power and wind power is not enough. So, water power and wind power is the clean energy, but it is not enough for us to generate electric. And also, we can use nuclear to generate electric, but only several countries have the technology of using nuclear to generate electric. So, the general way to generate electric is using coal or wood or oil. That still produce a lot of pollution. So, the electric cars are not good for our environment.
Zero type emissions unfortunately don't necessarily mean zero emissions. If the electricity is from a coal or gas-fired power plant, then there are still carbon emissions from the vehicle use. There is about 50% chance in the United States that the electricity that's used to change the batteries of a plug-in electric vehicle is generated by burning coal. Since the burned coal used to power an electric vehicle emits carbon dioxide to power the electric car, it goes on the car's emissions totally.
In conclusion, all the cars are not good for the environment to protect, even we are using electricity, because we still need other power to change to the electricity. That is why electrical cars are not good for the environment.
For doing this subject, I researched on the internet and received a lot of information that they are very useful to me in order to spread my knowledge of regards to this subject.
What I did in this video is I developed a counter argument and I did some research to support our argument.
I'm Michael. I searched on the internet and found the evidence to prove that electric cars are not good for the environment. I did the reasons and do the video and the PowerPoint.
For doing this teamwork, I look up many physical books to find how the electricity be made, and I have discussed with our coach a lot about this teamwork at coach meeting.